Okay. Hi, Vinyl here. Okay, so I'm gonna teach you butterfly knife trick because I don't want to cut myself, so I'm using a Lego. I made it myself. Sorry, it's kind of ugly, so let's start with it. Okay, first I'm a beginner. Okay, I just learned this. Sorry. So if I do it quick enough, it'll be like okay. So if I do it slowly, it actually will start like this. I don't know which side it is it. So swing, okay, swing. After that, you better switch to the other one and you get the knife out. Okay, sorry, my piece. Okay, so excuse me about the background noise. Okay, it's like, yeah, very bad condition, but it's my favorite. I made it for like 5 hours. Wait, what, 5 hours? 30 minutes because of searching of the pieces. So it's from this switch. If you don't switch, it'll be like you stay there. But if you switch, right? It'll go like this. Like if you make a Lego one, that's good. So you just go. Wait. Okay, so it's like you just go down here, stop, go down, let it drop, and up. You got a knife up. Okay. So the next trick is gonna be like the spy. If you know Team Fortress 2, go. If you don't know, go watch Team Fortress 2 Meet the Spy. So spy's butterfly knife trick. So it's like you swing. Sorry. Oh my God. Okay, sorry. Okay. Let me fix this problem for a while. Sorry about that. Yeah. The next time I'm gonna super glue. Since it's not time, it'll be quite easy. Okay. So let's continue. So you're gonna hold it like this. Okay. It's in a closed position. You flip. Make sure it's over your thumb, like this. You let go, and then you flip. Okay, if you didn't see it, flip and up. You get a knife out. So if you do it again, it's like you get flip over the thumb, let go, drop, up. Okay, that's the only trick that I know. So I'm going to learn. So if you want to learn more further, I prefer you to go on YouTube and search for butterfly knife tricks for beginners. Yeah, it's called a butterfly knife, or it's called the Barcelona knife if I'm not wrong. Okay, sorry, I don't know how to pronounce that word. So wait, let me get this knife off. Come on, cooperate. Okay, so bye.